Gold and silver both traded in a very narrow range yesterday, and in fact has shown good swings across the zone. The It failed to sustain the levels at 2020 and the silver at 2420 levels. Both have seen a good resistance at those levels, have seen a good drop, but at the same time we have also seen the support on the downside for silver, specifically 2390 2380 zone. Very good support existed there, and for gold at 2012-28 zone. Now what to expect today, which position you should take trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description in order to get the live market updates. Let's start. First, we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the level. Now, see couple of observations here. See, this was the bullish channel in which it was trading on the hourly chart. Then this drop. The support here at 2000. Retracement. A drop there. Then 2000. Again retracement. And now it is trying to consolidate here. One thing is clear, 2000 levels have formed a double bottom here. Second thing which is clear, see this drop, completely the movement is engulfed between this candle. That is between 2040 to 2000, it is completely engulfed between this candle. Right now it is trying hard to come out of this zone. Now if you look closely on the hourly chart, see now forming the bottom here. Look at these two candles and look at the complete movement here. Now this is trying to consolidate, and you can see on the downside higher lows are getting created. At the same time higher highs, but still it failed to breach past this, which means again if you see it trading above 2020 you can buy, but then I will wait for it to break past 2024-2025 levels. See, this zone between 2020 and 2025 is going to remain critical. Beyond that we may see 2035-36 levels, and beyond that 2044-45 cannot be denied. At the same time on the downside, now if it breaks below 2010 you can sell again for 2004 and 2000 levels, the two stronger supports, and below 2000 further break can be expected. If you look at a stochastic, this is rising. The MACD on the other hand, you can see this, it is trading bearish but looking forward to crossover for a buy entry. And see, it has seen a complete, see the drop here, the retracement here, now trying to consolidate here. RSI also trading very much flat. Now look at 2-hour chart, see the drop there, retracement lower highs, the drop there, retracement lower highs, and yes, on the upside it has still got the potential for it to rise for 2036-40 levels. At the same time on the downside right now 2000 is a good support, but below that we may see a very good drop, and then 1995-1980 levels cannot be denied there. Right now if you look at after this drop, it is just trying to retrace. At the same time the flat top, you can see this is called flat top, all the three, or you can say multiple candles getting rejected at the same levels here and higher low. So this is trying to show you a squeeze it out there, possibly and a breakout above 2024-25 levels certainly will bring the bullishness there. At the same time a drop below 2010 is a good entry for you to remain short. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is in green, and see the slope there and slope there are different, and these have not yet crossed over, it is still trading in green. RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at 3-hour chart, now see on the 3-hour charts how beautifully the lower end is getting the support there. It is not willing to go down, that is also clear, and on the upside it is also not willing to go up. Very much restricted movement here right now. At the same time one must observe, see the drop there, see the support there at higher lows, and now it is trying to create the support here at 2014 levels. Now a reversal confirmation, yes, if it trades about 2020-2024 zone, then only we can say that it is reversed. The stochastic has dropped, MACD is still in green, trading with little divergence there, RSI almost flat. And if you look at 4-hour chart, now see on the 4-hour charts lower highs, higher lows are seen. This is still trying to show you a swing here, and hence a safe buy entry about 2020 can be taken. And in fact I will recommend you to sell here at 2014 itself, but trail till 2008 levels. These are good support, but below that 2004 and 2000 levels can be expected. So in between 2014 and 2020 do not trade. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now see the drop there, the retracement there, the highs are very well connected, it is getting rejected here. And if this drops from here, it is going to bring more bearishness there on the downside. The stochastic looking downwards. The MACD on the other hand on the 4-hour charts have crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish, and see this is coming after a long losing streak, and hence it can try to continue with this green divergence. RSI is also looking upwards, and on the daily chart, now see on the daily charts it is trading above the 20 period moving average. Also the 3 moving averages are beautifully placed and are divergent and are bullish still. Also if you look at the daily charts, one more observation, see higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen, phase of consolidation, 2010 on the downside, 2020 2022 levels on the upside. This zone we need to watch out for, and in between these levels certainly we should avoid taking a trade here. But yes, those who want to trade a bit, you can sell at 2014 and expect it to drop, but then 2010 to 008 first support, and if it drops below this, certainly more bearishness may prevail, which might take it for 2004 2000 levels, and below that a crash can happen. On the upside, a retracement zone is getting created, and yes, above 2020 we can stay long, but then 25 levels to be breached in order to confirm a reversal. Beyond 25 we can expect 36-45 levels. Stochastic at bottom on the daily charts also, and MACD is still bearish on the daily charts. It is trading with little divergence here. RSI is almost flat, so take your positions accordingly. Between 2014 and 2020 do not trade, be cautious till 2010 and rather 2008 and 2025 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now look at silver on the hourly charts, a good drop, retracement, and you can see 2420. We had mentioned this several times. 2420 is the level you should watch out for. If it stays above 2420, we can expect 2450 as the next target. Now if you look at the hourly chart, see the drops there. You can see this time it is trying to break out of the consolidation zone, but failing to sustain below $24 levels. And yes, if you see it trading below 2390, that is the point below which you can definitely stay short and then expect 2380, and then if it stays below 2380 we can expect a sharper correction till 2350 levels, else there is all probability. Also remember, once it stays above 2410 you can buy, but then 2420 is the first target. 2450 beyond that, definitely we may see 2440 and 2450 levels as the next target. So very simple, above 2410 you can buy and expect it to rise more. Stochastic flat, the MACD has seen a complete movement. You can say the losses still here are erased and now trying to cross over for a sell. It has not yet crossed over. RSI started to look down, and if you look on the 2-hour charts also, you can see higher lows are getting created, flat top is seen, and hence any drop below 2390 this time you can stay short and we can expect a sharper correction there. On the upside, 2420 is something you should look out for, but you can buy here at 2410 itself. And before we complete the analysis, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 1st of June, and also you can be part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details on both. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look, the stochastic is looking down. The MACD, see, it has seen a drop, it has reversed here, now trying to converge here and cross over. It has not yet crossed over, it is still not entered into the bearish zone again. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Now look at 3-hour charts. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, a flat top and a higher lows are getting seen there, and hence a sell entry only below 2390 is confirmed. Buy entry, yes, 2410 you can buy there. The stochastic dropping, the MACD on the other hand, after the long losing streak has crossed over, trading with divergence, but the candle size have flattened there. The bullishness is getting diminished. RSI has come out of the oversold zone here. And if you look at 4-hour, now see on the 4-hour charts to see higher lows, lower highs, phase of consolidation. Hence, yes, you can buy at 2410, but be cautious of 2420. Very simple observation, similar observation. Stochastic trading flat. The MACD on the other hand on the 4-hour charts have crossed over, trading with little divergence. This is just the 4th green candle there, and this crossover is happening at a bottom. It may try to lift the prices little up. This is my expectation. I will wait for it to just stay above 2420, then you can expect 2440, 2450 levels, and beyond that sky is the limit. It can try to hit $25 again. RSI has come out of the oversold zone on the 4-hour charts as well. Now look at the daily. Now see on the daily charts, higher lows, flat top. The previous candle also reflected the similar observation. Any move beyond 2410, you can wait for it to break past 2420, and if it does, certainly you can consider that for a reversal, and probably beyond 2420 I will look forward to 2450, 2460 zone, and then 2480 levels. On the daily charts also, stochastic is oversold. The MACD is extremely bearish, but see the candle size have flattened, and hence from here a greener candle cannot be denied. The RSI is also trading at bottom. So considering this for the day, a sell entry below 2390. However, be cautious for 2380, 2380 levels. Certainly very good support. Below that only bearishness may prevail, and you can look for 2350 levels on the downside. And yes, I will be expecting a rise from here. Possibility exists that it can try to break past 2420, and we can see 2450 plus levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.